number 7 and question number 8. Yeah. All right. Question number 7, because in class, I talk about Pascal's triangle, right? Yeah, so here, this question is designed to check your understanding of the Pascal's triangle. Yeah, so many of you search the web. Yeah, so if you are not familiar with this concept, you can search the web, find examples, so you can easily get the answer. Okay, yeah, but through this chance, hope you get yourself familiar with Pascal's triangle. Okay, yeah. So first, it's an interesting structure. Second, we can use this knowledge to help us improve our answer. Yeah, Pascal's triangle. Okay, yeah. Later we have another question. Yeah, we need to use Pascal's triangle. Yeah. So for this one, I do not, spend too much time to explain. Yeah. All right. Next question. Yeah, this one. Because after we learned repeated squaring technique and a repeated cubing technique, okay, yeah, the part E of module 1. After that, because in that part E, we spend a lot of time of module 1 about repeated squaring technique and the repeated cubing and the mixed way, right? After that, we also, because you can mix the above 2 techniques, mix the way. All right, yeah. To get the best answer you can, to get the smallest number of multiplications you can. Okay, yeah. So the answer is 5. Yeah. But the ways to get this number 5 quite different. Yeah. So you only need to use one way. Yeah. So, all right. Yeah. One way. All right. So let me just use a few ways to, to show you how to get this 5. Okay. Yeah. But before you work on this question, first you need to be familiar with part E of module 1. Yeah. Otherwise, it could be hard. I just guess if some students who did not watch video for the part E of module 1, very likely they couldn't get the correct answer. Yeah. 24, oh, just 23. If they put answer 23, yeah, you just use the simple way. You didn't apply repeated squaring, repeated cubing, the mixed way, those much better technique. Yeah. All right. So here, 24. Yeah. Here I choose this 24. So you can get this 24 in many different ways. Yeah. The first way, if we use the power of 2 structure. Okay. Because we can easily identify, we can use power of 2, yeah, because 24 equals 16 plus 8. Yeah. 16, 2 to the 4th, 8 to cube. Okay, yeah. With this power of 2 structure, then we start with x. First multiplication, we get x squared, right? Yeah. Second multiplication, yeah. So let me put a circle, okay? That means the number of multiplication, yeah. X to the 4th. Second multiplication by squaring that multiplication, right? Yeah, x squared times x squared. Okay, yeah. The third multiplication, x to the 8th. The fourth multiplication, x to the 16th. Okay, yeah. So you can see after, yeah. So here the cost we spend. The cost we spent, so 4 multiplications so far. Okay, so that's the cost we pay at this point. But after you pay for this much cost, you have x squared, you have x to the 4th, you have x to the 8th, x to the 16th. All these power of 2 exponents. You have them. Yeah. You have them. That means if you need these numbers, you can reuse these numbers without any multiplication. All right, reuse them. Okay, yeah, because you have paid to get these resources. Yeah, so we treat these things. These are the resource. Okay, something useful. So what's the meaning of the resource? So we just treat things that could be useful. That's the resource. All right. Yeah. Resource and the paid, already paid. All right. Yeah. And it's in our pocket. That's your property. All right. That's our property. All right. They are our property. Okay. We are the owners. All right. We are the owners. All right. So here, that means x to the 24th equals x to the 16th times x to the 8th. When you use x to the 8th, no multiplication needed. So here, because this is the first time we pay, so we need to pay 4 multiplication. For this one, 0 extra, all right? Because in this 4, we already covered that cost, okay? When we pay 4 multiplications, we cover that x to the 8th, okay? So 0 extra. Then this dot we need to pay, all right? This dot we need to pay. So the total number of multiplication in this way, 4 plus 1 equals 5. Okay, yeah. So that is the, power of 2 way. So this way slightly different to repeated squaring, although the main part is repeated squaring, yeah. But, if we look at our definition of repeated squaring, different from this one, yeah. But that's not important, okay? We just want to find the best answer, yeah. Yeah. Another one I like to show you, based on the cube structure, yeah, because x to the 24, yeah, obviously we can identify x to the 8th times x to the 8th times x to the 8th. This structure, all right, yeah. This structure, we use the similar argument, yeah, similar argument from the previous solution, yeah. This time, we calculate power of 2 through this x to the 8th. Yeah. So we need 3 multiplications. Yeah. All right, 3 multiplications. We do not do x to the 16th. So we stop after we get x to the 8th. All right, so that's our property. All right, that x to the 8th, that resource already belongs to us. All right, yeah. So we have the ownership on it. Yeah. All right. So next we use it with 0 extra. Okay. Yeah. Extra 0. We got already paid. All right. 0. All right. Yeah. But 1 multiplication in the middle, another 1 in the middle. So in this way, total also 3 plus 1 plus 1 equals 5. How about that? How about that? Equals 5. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. So the answer 5. 2 different ways. Yeah. So we get the same answer. Okay. Yeah. All right. Yeah. You need to be familiar with, these 2 techniques. Yeah. Okay. All right. And the mixed way, actually much harder. Yeah. So here I haven't give you a question that rely on the mixed way to get a solution that is better than repeated squaring only or repeated cubing only method. Yeah, because usually that type of question usually much harder. Yeah, so I do not go that far. All right. Yeah. All right. So that's this question number 8.